What is going on, y'all? It is your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Do me a favor, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Well, I don't know if you can tell by now, but I am not real. This is the AI version of Stock Holiday. This was created on the artificial intelligence app, and it may look like the person that you think it is. It may sound like the person that you think it is, but this is the new wave of technology. So today we will be talking about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin has fell below $112,000. Bitcoin is $111,000. Who knows what direction that Bitcoin is going to go in? People have been complaining about Bitcoin, especially this year, wondering what is going on, which direction is it going to go. People have been expecting that quarter four will be explosive. Are we in quarter four right now? Yes, we are. We are at the end of October, 1 month down for quarter four. Still have 2 months to go. The verdict is still out. Some people have already left the market. Some people have already been exhausted because the market have not been doing what the cryptocurrency community have been expecting. Retail investors have came in, retail investors have left. Wondering what is going on, people are concerned, but we know that any particular time, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market can explode. Things can start getting bullish, things can start getting green. Just like that, your portfolio can mess around and do a 3x, 4x, 5x, and 6x. Why? Because this is still cryptocurrency. This is still one of the most volatile investment assets in the world. The same way you can go down and lose a lot of money, the opposite can happen. You can go up and make a lot of money. Like Stock Holiday always say, let me get this out the way. This is not financial advice. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell any crypto. This video is strictly for educational and entertainment purposes only. Before investing into anything, please consult with a professional financial advisor. So this right here is really showing the advancement of society. Blockchain is going to be the future of finance. Digital assets is going to be the future of finance. Artificial intelligence is going to be the future of the world. Things are heading to a automated farm system. Amazon just laid off thousands of workers. Why? Because of AI. No longer will you be needing guys like Stock Holiday or some of the other people. Now you can just type in the app, make someone look like somebody else, press the button, and have them doing what the other person was doing. And you won't have to pay them anything. Amazon don't have to pay those robots anything. Once you create the robot, however much it costs you, you don't have to pay medical fees, you don't have to pay 401k, payroll expenses, all of the other overhead that comes along with traditional labor. The world is changing. If you don't see that right now, you really need to pay attention. Things are moving around, people are making investments. Cryptocurrency market, people are buying it up. It may not seem like people are buying it up right now. ETFs are present and real. Solana ETF is present and real. Adera HBAR ETF is present and real. Things are moving at a fast pace, even though it may seem like it's slow, even though it may seem like it is down, like it is out. The cryptocurrency cycle has changed as we has once known it. Traditionally, it was a 4-year cycle. Traditionally, people was happy and expecting the year after the Bitcoin happened to be bullish. This cycle have changed it all. Large institutions, big money have replaced the traditional retail investors. The traditional retail investors were able to scale up the market. Things were able to go 5x, 6x, 30x, 40x from the previous cycles. This cycle, once the large institutions came about, things have just been stabilized. These guys have came in and stabilized the boat. No more is it the rocky up and down. We do see the rocky up and down, but it's not a rocky up where you are seeing people make gains. But when we see the downtrends, we're seeing the downtrends because of the market manipulation. Well, they call it market manipulation, but it is just the large institutions people with the big money making the market go in the direction that they want it to go in. These guys are the captain of the cryptocurrency ship now. They are in control. So you can call it being captain of the ship, you could call it market manipulation, but these guys are navigating and driving the boat of cryptocurrency. What do we should be doing right now? Well, we still have the retail investors involved. We are still buying some of these coins up because we know eventually there will be a pump. All do not want to be on the sideline while these large institutions take advantage of the coins that we were in since day one. Wouldn't it be a shame for us to be sitting back on the sideline and these coins start to explode? These coins start to pump and nobody is able to take advantage of it but these large institutions. That would be a travesty. That is not what we want to happen. We still want the small retail investors to win like they have won every 4 years. Did the cycle change? Yes, the cycle has changed, but there is still a lot of money to be made in the cryptocurrency market because we see the direction that the world is going in. We just talked about digital assets, blockchain, artificial intelligence. Look what NVIDIA just did. Look what SMCI just did. I mean, Taiwan Semiconductor is now in the United States. I mean, a lot of things have moved and a lot of things are moving. It may not seem that it's moving in a positive direction. If you're looking at your portfolio, you may be down and out. Your emotions may get the best of you. But this right here is for folks who have great conviction and for folks who have a lot of patience. A lot of patience is going to be required for this cycle. This is like none other. This is different. So make sure you guys just stick to the script. Continue to do as much research as you can. Most importantly, continue to follow the trends. Pay attention to the recent trends. Pay attention to the recent cycle movements that have been happening. Still got 2 more months. Fed decisions will come out today. Just like that, the market could be exploding. The market could be green, things could be pumping, and tomorrow everybody will be bullish. There'll be no more doom and gloom. All it will take is one day for Bitcoin to go up 8%, Ethereum go up 16% in one day. You know what the altcoins will be doing, and people will be bullish. All of this doom and gloom that we've been seeing over the past few weeks will be gone. But always keep in mind that this market is very volatile. We've seen it do that before where Bitcoin go up 8%, Ethereum go up 15, 16, 17%, altcoins up 25, 30%. And then days after that, the market is right back down in the dumps. So never get too high when the market is going up. Stay level headed. Never get too low when the markets are going down. Stay level headed. This cycle is for the patient. This cycle is for those who got skin in the game and is willing to ride it out. You don't want to exit in the third quarter just because you're down 21 points. We scored 3 touchdowns, kick a field goal, we will win the game. Game's not over. Fourth quarter's not over. We're going to continue to stick this out and ride this move like we have been doing. They want to discourage us. And guess what? They've been doing an excellent job at discouraging the retail investors for cryptocurrency. Taking a look at some of the coins over there in Robinhood, these coins have been getting dragged. But we know at any particular time, these coins can really start to explode. We've seen it before. So we're expecting to see it again. We're expecting cycles to not repeat exactly, but come very close. Even in the traditional finance with the Dow Jones, S&P 500, Russell 2000, we're seeing very similar things. We're seeing very similar cycles as these markets start to scale up. We're seeing gold do things that it has not done. So some people can say, you know what, the gold cycle has been broken. Just because something is broken don't mean that it's a bad thing. If the gold cycle has been broken, it was broken in a good method. Seen all-time highs for gold, all-time highs for silver. Rare earth commodities is a real thing. Artificial intelligence, we know, is a real thing. Digital assets, we know, is a real thing. The banks are now allowed to use Bitcoin and digital assets. Blockchain is prevalent and will be taking over the finances around the world. The United States dollar will be scaled back. A lot of the countries throughout the world will start to push back on the US dollar. And now people will be focused on Bitcoin, blockchain, digital assets to make various transactions, monetary transactions. So, very exciting times that we're in right now. We are in history making moments right now. May not seem like it because you look at your portfolio. I look at my portfolio, Coinbase, getting my butt kicked. But at the drop of a dime, things can all change. So I'm paying attention, stand 10 toes down, and continuing to trust the 4 year cycle until the 4 year cycle shows that it has been broken. We still got 2 more months. In cryptocurrency, anything can happen in 2 months. So we're going to continue to watch, continue to rock, continue to roll. Come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. But like I say, I just continue to come to you guys every day just to continue to give you that good encouragement. Coming to you guys every day to give you that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy, AI, Stock Holiday, and I'm out.